What is up, guys? Tech here, back again for another video. Today is the day when Amazon finally released something that I believe for me personally is an amazing product because I'm within that Amazon ecosystem. It's called the Echo Buds. This is gonna be more of a first impression type of review. This first impression is coming from an actual consumer just like me, not the ones that you see from big tech companies that you see out there on YouTube. So enough chit chat and let's check it out.
Alright, so before we start with the actual Echo Buds, let's see what else we have in the box. Very basic. You will still have a micro USB cable, so still no USB Type-C for Amazon. That's kind of a shame. And of course, more paperwork. And opening this little box here, you will have your wingtips for more secure fit. It will be a little bit tedious because you have to fit it to your ears before you can actually start using it, just so it will fit well and it won't fall off your ears. It does come with it, so it has 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. So let's go ahead with opening the actual earbuds, or the Echo Buds rather. And the charging case looks very robust. It's made from hard plastic, so you can see that's the charging port right there for your micro USB. And it looks very clean. It kind of looks like a charging case for the AirPods, only this one you open it unilaterally as opposed to opening it from the top. So it doesn't look like a dental floss like most people try to make fun of the AirPods. On the front there's the LED lights, so you have red for low battery, blue for pairing, green for fully charged. And it looks very nice, guys. I mean, like, it feels great in the hand. So Amazon didn't cut any corners on trying to make these Echo Buds, so they look real nice. So picking up the Echo Buds is slightly a bit of a challenge because the way it's fitted onto the charging case. It does have a magnetic base for charging, so you can kind of tell the terminals are right there. It's IPX4 rated actually, so it's very splash proof. So I mean, you don't want to get these terminals wet when you put it back in the case in the event of a short circuit might happen. But it does come with 4 microphones, so 2 on each side, so that's kind of a good thing, I suppose. It does not have any physical buttons. It does have sensors on the side, and these sensors are touch sensitive, and you can use the Alexa app to modify what function you want it to use. So setting up the Echo Buds, it's basically just like any other Echo device that you have in your home. You got to make sure you download the Alexa app. So open the Alexa app first, then open the Echo Buds case, and then wait for it for the blue LED to come on or do this pulsating motion just like any of the other Echo devices. And that should put your earbuds in pairing mode. And the rest of it, just follow all the prompts, just like setting up an Echo device, and you should be good to go. And that's just a one-time setup, so you don't have to set it up all the time just like that while you open the Alexa app. So when you have your Echo Buds, just open it up and put it on your ears and you should be good to go. And I think what Amazon did as a cherry on top is that they partnered with Bose. So the Echo Buds feature a Bose active noise reduction and pass-through mode. So this is just like the Apple AirPods Pro that was just released just about almost at the same time as the Echo Buds. But I'm not sure about the drivers. I don't know if it's made by Bose, but they do sound great from my testing. Although that's a very nifty feature to have, is the Bose active noise reduction. It's basically noise canceling and also the pass-throughs. So if you're not playing any music, you can turn on pass-through mode and you can actually amplify what's around you, and that's a really great feature. So you don't have to take off your earbuds all the time. So you just hit pause when you're listening to music and you can still talk to people like normal, and it will also amplify the surroundings around you and you can hear pretty much everything.
So there you have it, guys. These are my first impressions for the Echo Buds, and for me personally, I personally like them. They sound a whole lot better than the outgoing AirPods. And of course, for their marketing campaign, the Echo Buds have Bose noise reduction system. So how cool is that, guys? So it actually has active noise cancellation. And that's also one of the main points for the new AirPods Pro. So they may be competing a little bit with some of the features. I mean, I don't know. Let me know in the comments. I think the Echo Buds will capture more sales just because of the fact everybody likes listening to music, and it's got Alexa built in, so what's not to like about that? And also I like the fact that Amazon is very friendly now because you can use Siri and Google Assistant. So I mean, wow. So if you haven't already done so, make sure you hit that subscribe button down on my channel for more videos. If I can get a like, that would be great. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.